The masterclass for me has been really informative. I've come from obviously the physiotherapy background, but I found it well presented, and I've learnt new techniques such as the OAB and the manipulation, which will be valuable in my treatment of animals. So my name's Verity, I'm from the UK and I'm a veterinary physiotherapist. I came to Animal Osteopathy through realising I wanted some further tools in my treatment repertoire. There were situations where I felt I wasn't getting to the bottom of the problem on the animals, and I turned to osteopathy to find some more approaches to treatment and a different approach to the whole assessment and treatment process. My interaction with the teachers and the other students, I would say, has been a positive experience. There's a good ratio of teachers to students, and also because you have several teachers, you get different opinions within the teaching. So the most valuable lesson I will be taking home from this masterclass is the opportunity to consider other approaches to treatment and to stand back from a case and reassess and then take a different route to treating the animal. I would be keen to attend future masterclasses to enhance my skills and also to revisit things that I've maybe been taught and aren't using in everyday practice, and then it's good to refresh it in your head.